Hello everyone, this is Saloni here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very interesting to me and I created this look a while ago and I wanted to share it with my YouTube family as well. So it is a recreation of Jacqueline Fernandez look and I am a big fan of Shaan Muttathil. This is my version of the bong look, guys. Without wasting any more moment, let's just begin the video. So yeah, this was the whole bong look that I call it. So if you really like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me remind you that I post videos weekly. So what you have to do is you have to hit the bell icon if you want to really stay updated for the new videos coming every week. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Love you all. Bye.